Alright, as always, you can go to YouTube channel My Medical Nightmare and see 40 plus hours video on everything that happened to me. Alright, this is reported by WTMJ4 Television Channel 4 out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They interviewed a patient of the hospital who claims her doctor has gone on vacation 1 week following a cyber attack against U.S. health provider Ascension, active in 19 states, 140 hospitals, 160,000 associates, 36,000 affiliated providers. Many people have been in the Ascension hospitals in the last few days, have reported chaotic conditions from the second you walk in to the building. The cyber attack hit May 8th, 2024, creating disruption in computer record systems, leading to widespread service complications. In their interview, WTMJ Channel 4 mentions the patient they spoke to is being told conflicting things. The doctor's office cannot access their records. Doctor's on vacation. I was a patient at Ascension St. Vincents East Hospital in Birmingham, Alabama in 2019, and I was misdiagnosed and I believe patient dumped in the emergency department. I played my call explaining my issues as I tried to relay them to Ascension CEO Joseph and Pichake.
You've reached the Ascension System Office General Mailbox. After the tone, leave a detailed message and someone will respond to your call. Thank you.
I'm trying to reach CEO Joseph and Pichake, and he can contact me at that number, and I have a message that I would like to give to Ascension. Between 2018 and 2019, I was an emergency department patient at Ascension St. Vincents East Hospital in Birmingham, Alabama. I believe I had broken my neck. I had an x-ray, 2 CT scans, and later an MRI looked at by Ascension St. Vincent's doctors. Each time they had told me I had no injuries in this area, I knew their diagnosis was an error as my condition worsened. The area became infected and infested with parasites. By summer 2019, I almost died. I obtained my medical records from your hospital along with the x-ray, CT, MRI imagery and discovered the truth of my injury. I had broken bone in the underside of my skull in the area of the condylar canal and occipital condyle. How the doctors could have missed such a large and serious injury over multiple hospital visits is inexcusable. I believe some element of organized corruption may exist in this hospital. I have compiled over 10 hours of video documentation on what happened to me on my YouTube channel, and the name of the channel is My Medical Nightmare. I believe I may have been a victim of patient dumping in the course of my seeking treatment, which is a violation of EMTALA, E-M-T-A-L-A. When I told medical staff associated with Ascension about my discovery that I had been misdiagnosed repeatedly, I was personally attacked and my psychological state was challenged, and this is reflected in medical records I obtained later. I could not obtain proper treatment or diagnosis for this injury because doctors and nurses that I would subsequently have encounters with would only entertain what the erroneous Ascension ER findings were. My mother, who was a nurse for 20 years, had the misfortune of working in an Ascension hospital. When I questioned my MRI findings involving St. Vincent's Ambulatory Healthcare Network, LLC, and Dr. Michael Brandt Ruff, MD, radiologist, in March 2019. My mother, who was a nurse for 20 years and worked in the Ascension Hospital, she was terminated from her job there around the same time. And so this phone call, I challenge the misdiagnosis of Ascension St. Vincent's East Hospital, Birmingham, Alabama, and I challenge the policy of this hospital. And Mr. Pichake, I think you need to look into this, please. Please listen to my message, look into what I'm saying, and you're free to contact me. Thank you.